Hi. So recently I came across a video where this guy was actually calculating Jeff Bezos' net worth, in terms of rice. So I thought I'll do the same for, one of our India's richest person, that is Mukesh Ambani. To make the best use of our quarantine time, we started our calculation considering 1 grain of rice equal to 50 lakh INR. My niece, my sister-in-law, and I started counting rice in the groups of hundreds until we reached a decent amount of rice which we can weigh on a weighing machine. Within an hour, we ended up counting 5,000 grains of rice. Just want to clear that at no point in time the cat helped with the calculation. Now the challenge came as we did not have a digital weighing machine and all the shops were closed due to the COVID-19 lockdown. As part of the essential service, there was a vegetable shop open nearby. While getting the essential supply, I also weighed the rice and it was exactly 110 grams. Now we know that 5,000 grains of rice would weigh 110 grams, and we had to calculate how much grams of rice would be required to calculate the net worth of Mukesh Ambani. So we grabbed a pen and paper, used all the math skills learned in 10th standard and started calculating. Here we see 1 grain of rice equal to 50 lakh INR, and here 100 grain of rice equal to 50 crore, and this heap of rice containing 5,000 grains of rice which we have counted earlier will be equal to 2,500 crore. And finally, if you want to see how much is Mukesh Ambani's worth, take a look at this. No, not the cat, this is 60 billion US dollars converted to INR as of 30th March 2020. And here are some interesting comparison with the same scale. Antilia, Mukesh Ambani's private home in South Mumbai, Statue of Unity, world's tallest statue in Gujarat, Pampal flyover, 8th wonder of the world, my income, Gali Janardhan Reddy's daughter's marriage expense, Mukesh Ambani's COVID-19 donation to the Maharashtra state, India government's COVID-19 relief package for the poor, India's second richest person Radhakishan Damani net worth compared to Mukesh Ambani. Apart from that, Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Foundation has been helping with the COVID-19 situation in various ways by setting up the hospitals and stuff. So I don't have the proper estimation of that yet. Whenever I get it, I'll actually post it on my Instagram handle @AnnyArun. Please do follow me there. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, please do share and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you with the next video some other time. Bye bye.